how to use a tile leveling system for floors. Let's show you what we're working with. We will install on wood with an uncoupling membrane, Stratomat by Latacrete. This is what we will be installing. We have 14-inch by 14-inch glass panels, as you can see there. This will allow you to see how the tile leveling systems work for installing for floors. These are the tile leveling systems we're going to install with Levtech wedge system, as well as RTC spin doctor system. We have a large 1/2-inch trowel, small notch trowel for the uncoupling membrane, margin trowel, pliers, knee pads, a mixer, thin set, a bucket, and a bucket of water. Let's get set up, mix some thin set, and show you how to install and use a tile leveling system for floors. Here we go. We will start with a wedge system, Levtech. Margin trowel. Insert your clip spacers. Insert and install your wedges. We now install with a spindle leveling system. How to use a tile leveling system for floors. Thanks for watching. As usual, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.